to tell you what or where you stand or how good or bad you are. No, not at all. The idea is to tell you or help you rather that out of entire obstetrics, these are super important topics. They have been asked recently in the exams. This is the kind of questions they are coming. And then when you appear, you should know out of the entire obstetrics, okay, these 5-6 topics are my weak zones. So that I convert them into my strengths. So paper को judgment की तरह मत लो. It is the most friendly thing that you have. Nobody else will be able to tell आपको क्या नहीं आता. ठीक है? जैसे मैं नहीं बता पाऊंगी कि इस बच्चे को क्या नहीं आता, इसको क्या नहीं आता. आप खुद भी नहीं बता पाओगे. So the only objective way of knowing what I am good at and what I am not so good at is a test paper. So हम boot camp में इतने सारे टेस्ट करवाएंगे तुमसे कि तुम्हारा ये डर जो है वो निकल जाए. And the number of question is going